Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Soon after the release of Samsung Galaxy M10 and M20, the third M series smartphone is in the pipeline. Today we will discuss about M30 specs. Keep watching and subscribe to my channel for more videos. A new leak from pricecart.com shows a schematic diagram of Samsung M30. Like other smartphones of M series, the M30 will be available in both black and blue color. The backside is same as M20, camera and fingerprint scanner. However, the difference is that M30 has one additional camera. The triple camera setup consists of 13 megapixels camera with two 5 megapixels sensors, probably a telephoto and a wide-angle lens. The front camera is said to be 16 megapixels. The smartphone is wider and longer than M20, with 75.1 mm width and 159 mm height. The screen is expected to be 6.38 inches. Infinity V notch, with full HD resolution. The M30 will likely get an AMOLED panel, rather than TFT. This smartphone has a USB-C port. However, there is no indication about headphone jack. That will be surprising from Samsung if they remove the headphone this time. The phone is said to be powered by Exynos 7904 CPU. And it will be available up to 128GB storage option with 6GB RAM. Last but no least, the M30 will have a same size battery as M20, that is 5000 mAh. That's all what we know about Samsung Galaxy M30. The smartphone is expected to increase the Samsung market, especially in India. What are your views about that? Please subscribe and let us know by commenting.